But if you had to pick one kind of hill to die on about the future of SecOps, what would that opinion be?
I think the answer probably lies in machine learning. AI right now is the biggest wedge we've ever had, meaning it's not at the point yet where it can be autonomous and blah, 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 blah. I don't really think that's currently possible, but what it enables you to do is incredible. And it goes back to your point, Yegor, which is it's kind of doing the same thing as that humans have been doing. I think the biggest red flag sometimes I hear is we had to add some special audit to our MCP server to make sure it didn't provide information for somebody else, or it doesn't cross the stream. It's wait, but don't you have APIs already that have this enforcement? That kind of implies that your MCP server is this weird nebulous thing, kind of like chimera integrated into everything, and it's a big attack surface. That makes me uneasy. Or whereas if I here's the list of APIs, call those. Great, got it.
Yeah, no, the permissioning with agents, there's a problem still. I think it's not fully solved. But if you had to pick one kind of hill to die on about the future of SecOps, that is, maybe a contrarian opinion, maybe not. What would that opinion be?
Honestly, I think that last one is kind of the one that's currently contrarian. The one of saying, I think the vast majority of implementations of AI and security operations are not getting it right. It's not that AI is not going to work. It's that it's going to be vastly different. I think that would be my biggest take there. And the next couple of years will.
I guess, no, what if we exclude AI? Do you think the future is exclusively AI and nothing else? Anything else?
It's taking so much of the vacuum. I think it's the thing that will have the disproportionate impact on it. So I'm sure there's smaller hot takes that I could find, but this is really the big one.
Yeah, because I mean, ultimately, it's LLM specifically and agents. It's just ability to do work for cheaper than having a human do it ultimately, right? Which is going to get cheaper and cheaper and cheaper. But what work are they tasked with? What is the work? Where do you think we're going beyond ingesting logs, looking at them, and raising alarms? Because ultimately, that's kind of the basis of many security platforms.
I think the answer probably lies in machine learning. I think this is where it will have the biggest impact. And those two things together is how we will eventually get to things where humans aren't, like you're saying, kind of, looking at the logs, just that whole loop. I think we're going to be able to close a large part of that loop. Not that we're going to be secure, but that a lot of the investigation aspect will be able to be taken care of.